Herbal serums are versatile skincare preparations that can be crafted for a variety of skin types and imbalances. They're also really quick and easy to make. Making our favorite everyday skin serum that tones, moisturizes, and calms sensitive skin is as simple as combining the following ingredients in a 4-ounce glass dropper bottle. 1/4 cup jojoba oil, plain or infused with rose and vanilla. 1/8 cup baobab oil, 1/8 cup rosehip seed oil, 3 drops helichrysum essential oil. This is Helichrysum italicum. And 3 drops chamomile essential oil. This could be Matricaria chamomilla or Chamomellum nobile. That's it. Shake it up, apply a dropperful or 2 to damp skin morning and night, and allow your face to soak up all that herbal goodness.